In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use SBI Global Contactless Debit Card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is enable the contactless feature from their online banking website. So first of all, make sure you have this symbol on your card as you can see over here. This symbol indicates that you can use contactless payments on your card. Another way to check this is to simply follow the process I'm going to show you to see if you have that feature on your card. First of all, go to the SBI website using your computer or your phone on a web browser and then select Net Banking at the top right corner. You will be redirected to another page where you will be able to log into your account using your credentials, so log into the personal banking page. After you are logged in, first of all, select e-services at the top from your account management page and choose the ATM card services options. As you can see, I've highlighted it in pink. When you go into the ATM card services, you will have the option to choose ATM card limit / channel / usage change. Select that option and on the next page, choose the card that you want to enable contactless payments for. Pick it from the list and then select Change Usage Type under the Select Services tab. When you select Change Usage, you will be able to select NFC usage on the next page and enable the NFC usage for that card. After you enable NFC usage, you will be able to make contactless payments with that debit card you selected. I hope I was able to help you on how to use SBI Global Contactless Debit Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.